A Christmas Story. Sole survivor of attic summers under the crushing weight of kept yet cast off and not so cared for treasures, this plastic snowman was the greeter in the winter scene I grew up with every Christmas on Mom's mahogany end table that Dad had antiqued pea green in the 60s after plucking it from his and Mom's apartment fire. A smiling totem in the cotton batting snow. He stood as tall as the Tudoresque churches and houses erected from die-cut cardboard, past which 2 of 3 magi made their way to the tiny triangular manger. A slow march as the pink and green-clad wise men moved from BC to AD on their 3-legged camels toward the creche where Mary and Joseph knelt alone in their adoration. The plastic Jesus disappeared long ago, though we replaced him with imagination. Enough to imagine and know there is more to the story than Santa Claus. The promise of salvation emerges from the detritus that makes a story that makes sense if you put the pieces down and see it whole. Where we are, where we have been, how we keep it.